Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, I am reviewing the MAFiA Scalper Pro Expert Advisor for MT4 and MT5. This expert advisor combines manual trading assistance with automated trade management and execution features, all through an integrated control panel. Now, starting here on the MQL5 Marketplace page, we can see that the EA is developed by Andrei Dianchenko. The current version is 2.42. Updated on February 21st, 2024. The purchase price is listed at $597 while rental options are available for 3 months, going for $30, 6 months, going for $55, and a year, going for $89. One important note highlighted right away by the developer is that this EA works only on hedge type trading accounts. That is something traders should verify before considering installation or testing. Moving through the product description, the developer explains that the primary goal of this EA is to help traders manage positions, add trades, and control open orders through its trading panel. Rather than functioning solely as a fully automated system, it appears to provide flexibility for both manual and automated trading workflows. Now, the expert advisor operates in 2 modes. All right. In the off mode, traders manually open and manage positions. Then in the on mode, the EA can automatically open, add, and track positions when price moves beyond the blue alligator line. This gives traders the ability to switch between manual involvement and automated assistance depending on their preferences. The description also outlines several trading signals that can be enabled or disabled, including fractal level breakouts, line balance, and trading in the zone. Having the ability to turn individual signals on or off allows traders to customize how the EA behaves within the framework provided by the developer. As I continue through the features, we can also see multiple trading methods available. Positions can be managed using alligator lines, moving averages, fractals, fixed stop levels, or a bar-based trailing approach. Both virtual and real stop loss options are supported, and the latest version adds notification features, advisor status monitoring, ATR-based trailing stop adjustments, and visualization for virtual trailing levels. Now let us move into the backtesting section. When reviewing historical backtest results, I like to focus on how the EA behaved throughout the tested period rather than concentrating on individual trades. All right, historical analysis can help us understand how an automated system responded to past market conditions, but it should never be viewed as a prediction of future performance. All right. So let us test the MAFiA Scalper Pro EA for MT5 on Euro USD on the H1 time frame, and I'm running the backtest from the beginning of this year 2026 till date. All right, as for the delays, I'm using the last ping to the server, and I'm also using the every tick modeling. All right, and then looking at the backtested results, I can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was negative $18.8. The total trades taken we are 19, and out of that 19, 11 were profitable, giving us a 57.89% win rate. Largest profit was 11.9, largest loss 16.81, average profit was 4.29, and the average loss was 8.24. So that gave us a bad risk to reward ratio, right? Because you can see the difference between the average profit and the average loss. So on average, the risk to reward ratio is pretty bad. Looking at the completed testing history, and the chart activity, we can observe how positions were opened, managed, and closed throughout the test. Since the marketplace description specifically references signals such as fractal breakouts, line balance, trading in the zone, and in the alligator based conditions, these are likely important components of the overall trading framework being evaluated during the historical testing. And as always, I would recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. A broader testing period can often reveal strengths and weaknesses that shorter tests may not capture. Okay, so looking at the historical chart activity, we can also review how positions were tracked and managed after entry. The presence of multiple trading methodologies suggests that trade management is a significant part of the EA's design, although the exact impact will depend on the settings selected by the user. Finally, when evaluating the historical testing performance, remember that results can vary significantly based on risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution quality, spreads, slippage, market conditions, and user optimization. All right. In a moment, let's just look at the EA in action. So I'm going to turn on the visuals. So here we go. We can see this. This shows the EA in action as it looks for opportunities in the market. You can see how it, executes trades and sets stop loss immediately. All right. But the take profit seems to be flexible. Now, overall, the MAFiA Scalper Pro EA for MT4 and MT5 offers a combination of manual trading assistance and automated position management through its control panel. The ability to switch between operating modes, customize signal usage, choose different trading approaches, and receive notifications give traders a wide range of control options. As always, be sure to perform your own testing and optimization before considering any live trading environment. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.